Dealing with hard water doesn't need to be hard. Purchase a Flowtech today and reap the benefits for the rest of your life. Hey guys, Rafa here, Preferred Plumbing. I want to reiterate our October promotion. Don't forget, $300 off the supply and installation of our revolutionary Flowtech anti-scale system. Or you can double that promotion if you purchase our Flowtech anti-scale system in conjunction with other plumbing services being done. Then we'll award you $600 off. But you must share this video. You must post this video. You must show the technician this video. Comment on the video. Let us know that you've seen the video. And then all you got to do is give us a phone call. And then we know you've seen it. And then we can get you this product in your house. It's unbelievable, actually, the kind of limescale and development and buildup we've seen lately in people's homes. One of our technicians did 2 water heater replacements and sent us a picture. It was unbelievable. The scale, the huge amounts of crust. It totally, the whole walls of the inner pipe, like the scale encrusted the full inside of that pipe. It was unbelievable. Clearly her water heaters failed. How did we know? How did she know they failed? Because parts of the water heater were breaking apart, were fragmenting inside, shooting through the water supply system, getting stuck in various faucets of the home. All of this due to water hardness. Guys, dealing with hard water doesn't need to be hard. Purchase a Flowtech today and reap the benefits for the rest of your life. Have a great day, guys.